You are about to discover something that will touch your heart and completely change your perception. Today, the angels reveal a secret to you that you never imagined. There is someone out there, someone you may have never considered, who feels utterly captivated by every detail of you. This person sees something in you that makes their heart beat in a way they've never felt before. And there's more. This is someone who seems so self-assured, so magnetic, that they usually have all eyes on them. But right now, their eyes are only focused on you. They are looking at you as if they are gazing at a star that shines differently in the sky. Believe me, something big is about to happen. Stay with me until the end. Make sure to like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, to uncover every detail of this surprising revelation. You may not have noticed, but this person is closely watching you, even without giving any hint. They might not have crossed your path in real life yet, and you may not even know them or recognize them as a significant presence. But trust me, they are utterly fascinated by you. There is something in your essence, something almost mysterious, that catches their attention and leaves them completely enchanted. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact your presence has on the world? Maybe you don't realize it on a day-to-day basis, but the way you interact, live, and express yourself carries a power that cannot be ignored. Every gesture, every word, every look contributes to a greater impact, a kind of personal mark that, even unintentionally, shapes the experiences and perceptions of others. It's as if, without much effort, you are creating a path that others follow, either out of curiosity or admiration. This perception doesn't need to be something grand or evident to be meaningful. Sometimes it's the small details, the care you have for people, the authenticity in your actions, that make all the difference. You are like a candle that, without trying, illuminates the environment around you. And this is not a small or trivial effect. Your way of being leaves a deep mark on those around you. It's as if you have your own energy, almost magical, that isn't necessarily seeking the spotlight, but that, irresistibly, attracts attention and sparks interest. This aura, which might be discreet, is actually intense and captivating, even if it is not always at the center of attention. This person, despite being more reserved and not opening up much, has a genuine interest in you. They are someone who, even with so many other options around, keeps their focus on you. Have you ever thought that perhaps you've crossed paths at some point, or maybe you've never even met in person? Maybe this person saw you online, on social media perhaps, and is now totally captivated by what you do. This person is paying attention to your moves, absorbing everything you share. Their interest is real, and even if you don't know them well, their presence might be much closer than you imagine. It's as if there is an invisible connection, something that goes beyond words and physical meetings. Even though there has been little contact, this person feels a strong connection. Maybe recently, you've only exchanged a few words, but the impact you've had was significant. It's as if they are absorbing everything about you, trying to understand what is really behind your enigmatic aura. This person, despite being surrounded by interested people, seems to have a clear focus, you. It's fascinating how they feel attracted to you, especially because you're not making an effort to attract their attention. In fact, your attitude of not chasing them only makes them find you more intriguing. The fact that you maintain a certain distance and don't show desperation only increases the mystery and charm you exude. You have become an enigma to them, a constant presence in their thoughts. And this, as simple or even insignificant as it may seem, makes a huge difference. They want to know more, and every small interaction with you leaves a lasting impression. It is quite possible that there is a deeper connection happening here, something that goes beyond what we can explain with just words. You know when you feel like you are thinking about someone a lot, almost unintentionally, and it feels like more than just a coincidence? This person might be, in some way, trying to connect with you, whether consciously or unconsciously. It's like they have a special talent for doing this, for manifesting what they desire. It's as if, without realizing it, they are projecting their thoughts and feelings to reach you. You might be starting to feel attracted to this person, perhaps even feeling a need to talk to them or be near them. This attraction could be a direct reflection of the way this person is trying to manifest you. It's as if, without realizing it, they are sending signals to the universe, and you are picking up on these signals intensely. The connection between you could be so strong that it is changing your way of thinking, your emotions, and even your desire to communicate. This person, despite being surrounded by people and having a life full of interactions, feels like they have never met someone like you. There is something in your energy that is simply healing for them. When they are near you, whether in person or even on social media, they feel safe and connected, as if they have known you for a long time. They perceive a humility and angelic aura in you that are rare to find. There is a genuine admiration for how you value yourself discreetly and don't fully recognize your own worth. To them, you are truly unique, someone who stands out and is special in a way they have never encountered before. This person is so involved with their feelings that they can't imagine wanting anyone but you. Even though they have what many would consider ideal, they feel a lack, a deep emptiness, when you are not around. It's as if your presence fills an essential space in their life, something they haven't yet found anywhere else. They feel you are the right person, the one who completes what is missing in their life. You might be wondering why this person is being so discreet about their current situation. If they are someone already publicly known, maybe they are trying to avoid conflicts or unnecessary rumors. The need to keep things secret might be a strategy to avoid unnecessary buzz. On the other hand, if this person is not in the limelight, the discretion might just be a way to protect themselves while planning a significant change in their life. Imagine the situation: someone who might be hiding a big project or an impressive personal transformation. They might be about to take a huge leap, perhaps starting a new business or radically changing their career. When revealed, this change has the potential to have a huge impact, both for them and for you. The idea is that, even though it seems they are keeping everything secret now, the future revelation might be a real game changer. Consider the possibility that what is about to be shared could change the way you see things or even influence your own path. There is a real chance that their communication will come with a transformation that could be surprising and inspiring. Whatever the reason for their discretion, the important thing to remember is that big, meaningful changes often need time to be prepared and revealed. And when the time comes, it could be something that transforms not just their life, but yours too. This person sees something in you that resonates with their own experience, as if you share a similar journey. They see in you a kind of mirror of their own struggles and triumphs. The feeling is that this person truly understands what you've been through and in some way, is in love with who you are. They feel a genuine attraction to your energy and the way you are. What is most fascinating is that, despite having many options and being quite popular, this person is blocking out all other distractions. Their focus is on you, and it's not just because of a superficial attraction. There is something deeper, as if they are really invested in the idea of sharing their life with you. Your calm presence and your ability to be discreet, without constantly seeking to be the center of attention, make you stand out even more to them. You don't need to force anything. Just by being who you are, you naturally draw attention. You, with your protective energy and calm spirit, are creating a space that attracts this person. They are starting to practice this energy protection as well, seeing how you do it. It's as if their presence in your life is aligned with a spiritual harmony you already possess. You inspire and captivate in a way that goes beyond the superficial. It might seem a bit surreal, but it's like there is someone with a huge heart around you, wanting to give you a gift without expecting anything in return. This person, who may have a strong presence, is watching you in a special way, almost as if waiting for the right moment to share something amazing. Imagine that this person has a positive energy, almost as if they are filled with good things, with prosperity, and wants somehow to share this with you. It could be a donation, an unexpected gift, or even something more discreet, a gesture of affection that you won't even know exactly where it came from. It's a no-name gift, like a surprise you'll only discover when the right moment comes. The most interesting thing is that this person sees a deep connection in you. It's as if you share a special rhythm, a mutual understanding of difficulties and victories. They know what you've been through because they have also walked a similar path. This connection is not just about understanding the pain, but about recognizing the light in you, even when you think no one is watching. This is not just a beginning. It is like a push towards something more meaningful, something that can transform your life in a way you don't yet imagine. It is a sign that you are not alone, that someone truly cares and wants to help you achieve what you desire. Sometimes, it feels like you're living your routine without realizing that someone is completely focused on you. This person is so involved that, even with many options available, they cannot take their eyes off you. The attention they give you is almost like a silent adoration. You may be living your life normally, not giving much thought to the fact that someone is so attentive to every move you make. It's as if, to this person, you are the only thing that really matters. The way they observe you might even seem a bit hesitant, as if they are waiting for the perfect moment to make themselves known. But deep down, It is clear that you are the center of their attention. And then comes the big question: what to do with this attention? You are in total control of this situation. You can decide whether you want to give this connection a chance or simply move on. Whatever you choose, the important thing is that you have the power to decide. The options are open to you, and the choice is yours. Remember, your decisions are what really shape this dynamic. So, what will you do with this unexpected attention? The answer is in your hands. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let us uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.